You already know about the Curaplex kitting advantage. Our kits solve everyday challenges. With Curaplex pre-assembled kits, you'll spend less time worrying about ordering and compliance details and more time doing what you do best, providing exceptional patient care. Thanks to feedback from emergency services providers like you, the kitting advantage just got better. We've improved our kit packaging to make it even easier for you to find the kit you need when you need it. Curaplex kits feature bold new color coding to help you grab the right kit at a glance. We've enlarged the kit description and the components list so you know exactly what's in your hand. You can also get a look inside your kit before you even open it with show-through packaging. Manage your inventory with ease with clearly stated expiration dates and lot numbers. Maintain optimal kit performance with helpful storage and usage symbols. Lastly, keep up with your kits by scanning the unique device identifier tracking code. Simplified ordering, superior quality, and faster response. That's the Curaplex kitting advantage.